Archimedes. Principle is its application in maritime transportation, understanding buoyancy, gravity, stability, shipping operation. What is Archimedes principle? An object submerged in fluid experiences upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the displaced fluid. Example, an object in water is pushed upward by force equal to the water is displaced. K concept. Buoyancy, the force exerted by fluid possesses object weight. Example, upward force from the water of support the ship. Gravity, the downward force acting on the vessel due its weight. Example, downward force caused by the ship weight. Equilibrium, when the buoyant force and gravitational force balance the ship flow. Example, when the buoyancy weight are equal, the ship floats steadily. Forces acting on the ship. Buoyant force upward versus weight of ship downward. Example, buoyant force goes up, ship weight goes down when balanced, the ship floats. Displacement. In the draft calculation, ship displacement, the weight of water displaced by the vessel. Draft, the vertical distance between the waterline and the bottom of the hole. Example, the weight of water pushed aside by the ship. That's all. Thank you, sir.